day 4 of flight week. We are rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling. You have searched your flights, found your flights, compared your flight options, but you're still like, holla, girl, I still don't want to pay that price. It's too much. Okay, let's fix that. Today we're talking about using the flight tracker. So here's what you're gonna do. We're gonna use Google Flights as our example. Go to Google Flights and search the same route you've been looking at. Right under the prices, you'll see a little toggle that says track prices. Turn that on. Once you do, Google will email you whenever that fare changes, whether it goes up or down, so you don't have to keep checking back manually. Also, you can see everything you're tracking under the track tab on Google Flights. Every now and then, you might see a blue price guarantee badge on certain flights. That just means Google is cocky and confident that it won't get much cheaper. But the main thing to remember is turning on price tracker. And here's the thing, if the price you're seeing is already a good deal for you and you're okay with what's included, book that damn flight. I will book this $166 round trip flight to LA. As a matter of fact, I might go ahead and book this once I finish this lesson. Now it's your turn. Open Google Flights and track a flight you're thinking about booking. Let it run for a day or two. Follow me for more. Save this video, share it with your travel bestie, and I hope this helped. Come back tomorrow. Okay, goodbye.